and we are having some of them here today to build this event. With this note, I, Akshada Joshi, along with my co-hosts Anshika Chauhan and Shambhavi Singh from Prestige Institute of Management, extend a very warm welcome to all our faculties, honorable judges, and all the participants of FIAT Justitia Law Quiz 2020, an event of Spandan 2020. I am glad to announce our sponsors for the event: Lord Dexter, Bollywood Cafe, Sapiens Lifestyle, CCA Group, Kavi Pushp, Digital Way Creation, Lakme Salon, Sanjeevni, Career Launcher, and The Frappe House.
Phoenix, Vinod Store, Hum Gwalior, Cosmo Cafe and Lounge, Sangleo Parlor, Mangalam Department Store, Phoenix, Vinod Store, Hung Gwalior, Cosmo Cafe and Lounge, Sunglow Parlor, Mangalam Department Store, Dream Arena, The Tasty Restaurant, Chai Sutta Bar, Gehna Jewelers, Harbia, MCF Gwalior, Life in Frames, and Vinayak Chocolates.
So, going forward, I thank all the judges for taking the time out from their busy schedules and making this known with, with your glorious presence and judging the event. Right now, we have Advocate Ritesh Kumawat with us, who did his master's in civil law and is a civil lawyer currently. Thank you so much, for, sir, for attending this event and judging, and for communicating and interacting with our audience, with our participants, and with us. Ritesh, sir, could you please say a few words to our
Hello,
participants? Yes, sir.
hello. Thank you, Akshada. So I want to thank you all for inviting me to participate as a judge, and I hope that I will do a good job, good enough job. So let's start with the event.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for being here. I'm glad to even introduce you to our participants. So we are about to begin with the first round. The competition, as I told you, will be running in total of 3 rounds. So here are the rules of round one. A link of Google form will be shared with you all through the chat box. There will be total of 30 questions which participants have to answer within 10 minutes, and all the questions will be in MCQ format. The participants are required to submit the form within the time span, and after 15 minutes, no forms will be accepted. So be fast in it. And all the participants are requested to switch on their video cameras and turn off their audio cameras. Participants will unmute themselves only when the host asks them to. In case of the response that was submitted first shall be given preference. Students will be required to submit the Google form within the prescribed time only, as I said.
I hope all the rules are clear to everyone, and if you have any doubt, kindly raise your hand. We will unmute you.
Yes, Kapil, you can
Actually,
unmute yourself.
uh, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Actually, I want to ask if we turn on our videos cameras, then how will we answer Google form?
See, you have to turn on your video camera, and if in case it gets freeze, no problem. But you, please, from your behalf, don't turn off your camera. It's okay if it freezes.
Actually, it will get automatically off when we switch to Google.
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
Yes,
Yeah,
Miriam.
actually, after the round one, if we are qualified, only we should sit for the further rounds. No, after that, can we leave?
Yeah, yeah, you can leave after that.
Okay, fine. That means after screening, no?
Yeah. Yes, Kapil, do you have another question?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I want to ask like when will be the second round?
Second round will start as soon as we get responses of round 1.
Okay, okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So you all are requested to stay in the meeting throughout the event.
Okay, so the link of the Google form has been shared in the chat box. So all the very best to the participants. You have only 15 minutes to fill the form.
Yes, Kanak. Yes, Kanak, you can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I have not get the link.
See, it's shared in the chat box. Check one time. It's visible to everyone.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Jaldi share it.
Okay, ma'am.
10 minutes more to go. Participants, you have 7 more minutes to complete the Google form. Participants, you have 5 more minutes to complete the Google form. Last 3 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute to go. Hurry up, participants. Submit your responses. Fifteen seconds more. Submit your response. Don't write in chat box. Submit your response. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it.
So we are done with the round one, guys. I hope it was good, and every one of you is so intelligent, and may the best one win. So we are done with the round one. We will start with the round two soon. We will wait for your results right now, and I will let you know when it comes. So we have two more judges with us. I am welcoming Advocate Dr. Dhimendra Saxena, who is Senior Advocate in Madhya Pradesh High Court. Sir, thank you so much for sparing time from your busy schedule. I think some network error has been occurred from Dharmendra sir's end. So not to worry, we have one more judge with us right now, who is Dr. Advocate Ankit Sharma. He did his masters in criminal law and he is currently a criminal lawyer. Ankit sir, could you please tell our participants a few good words and acknowledge them from your guidance? Yes, sir.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. Hello, participants. Hello, everyone.
Hi, sir.
Hello. Actually, there is some mic problem on my side. So do let me know if you do not hear anything from
Yes, sir, I'll let you know. Right now, you're perfectly audible.
me. Okay, sir. So hello, participants. Do not worry about this. Just give your best and leave the rest. Okay, whenever whoever tops in the list, or whoever does not find himself in the list, do not worry about that. This is just a learning process. Just enjoy the process and learn something from it, and you will be good. Thank you.
Indeed, sir. I agree with what sir said. Don't worry about your results, because it doesn't matter if someone wins or not. What matters is how did you attempt it. And I'm so sure that all the participants who are over here attempted the quiz perfectly. So we are done with this round. Your results would be out real soon. Let us have a little fun until we get the results. But before that, I would like to thank all our sponsors: Law Dexter, JB Mangaram, Chaska FM, Gwalior Diaries, Hideout Cafe, Anand Mishthan Bhandar, Fix and Flixbox, Gehna Jewelers, Herbia, MCF Gwalior, and Life in Frames.
Okay, so now let us start with the activity. The activity is like you will be shown some of the emojis or the dialogues, or it can be anything, and you need to guess that it denotes what. So let's start. You will be given 10 seconds time to guess the name.
Yeah, so guys, the picture which will show you, it will be in the form of emoticons, and you have to guess the name of movie or the name of song or the name of country. It can be anything. It will be very random and it will be very fun. Trust me on that. And we'll unmute one or two participants for the same. We'll show you the picture and you have to guess it.
Our event sponsors are Lord Exeter, JB Mangaram, Cheska FM, Gwalior Diaries, Hideout Cafe, Anand Mishtan Bhandar, Fix and Flix Box, Gehna Jewelers, Harbia, MCF Gwalior, and Life and Frames. Thank you all the sponsors for sponsoring our event. And we are just sharing you the slide, and I hope you all will have fun. The one who knows the answers may raise the hand. We will unmute you. Okay, so here's your first question. You will get 10 seconds time to answer. Just raise your hands. You need to guess the film name. What's the name of the film? Okay, Madhulika, you can unmute yourself.
Bullet Raja?
No, wrong answer. Yes, Kunal?
Hello,
Hello, Kunal?
I am audible.
Yes. By the way,
Lal
time.
Badshaw.
Yes, your answer is correct, but the time is up. Okay, so now the next question. Guess the movie name. Fast. Your time starts now. You may unmute yourself. Shailendra. Anyone? Guys, come on, guess the movie name. No one knows the movie name. Okay, the correct answer is Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Here's your next question. Guess it's very easy. Come on, guys. Yes, Mridul?
मैम चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके.
Correct. Okay, so now we will display the dialogue from the movies. You need to find out the movie name, from which movie this dialogue belongs. So first dialogue is, हर मराठा पागल है स्वराज का, शिवाजी का, भगवे का. Yes. Okay, Palak.
Tanaji.
Yes, correct. The correct answer is Tanaji. Okay, so the next dialogue comes from, मेडलिस्ट पेड़ पे नहीं उगते, उन्हें बनाना पड़ता है प्यार से, मेहनत से, लगन से. This dialogue is from which movie? Yes, Shailendra. Shailendra. Surya Pratap.
मैम दंगल.
Correct. The correct answer is Dangal. Okay, so next dialogue. तुम्हारा रिजल्ट डिसाइड नहीं करता है कि तुम लूजर हो के नहीं, तुम्हारी कोशिश डिसाइड करती है. Yes, Surya Pratap.
मैम चोरे.
Correct. The correct name of the movie is Chichore. Okay, so now you have to guess the name of the song. Your time starts now. Yes, Madhulika.
Nimura?
Correct. Okay, so now the next song. Time starts now. Yes, Palak.
अखियों से गोली मारे.
Wrong. Aarti. Aarti, do you know the answer? Ashutosh.
एक लड़की को देखा.
Correct. Correct answer is एक लड़की को देखा. Now the next song. Who guess? Shailendra? Surbhi? Come on, guys, do respond. Surbhi?
चांद छुपा बादल में.
Correct. The song is Chand Chupa Badal Mein. Okay. Now you have to guess the name of the fruit. Find out the name. Ashutosh?
काला जामुन.
Wrong. Kapil? Kapil, do you know the answer?
No.
Kunal?
Banana.
Nah. Just look at the emojis and then guess. What do they call? It's grape.
और ग्रे पर है
Gray and
It's like gray the color and it's ape. Grape. Okay. Guess the fruit. Yes, Madhulika.
Orange.
Correct. Okay, so now we have the results with us. I hope you all enjoyed the game.
So are you ready for the results? I think you all must have given your best, and that is why we have got all the responses. Almost everyone completed the quiz and we have got all responses, but we had a limitation that we had to select only 10 people. So we are here with the top 10 from this quiz. Okay. So I'm starting from last position. Last position, that is 10th position, goes to Niharika with 17 marks. 9th, Ashutosh with 17 marks, and Surabhi again with 17 marks. So combinedly, these three people have got not combinedly, individually they have got 17 marks, and they are in the next round. Then Palak with 18 marks, Nidhi Jaiswal, again she also has got 18 marks, Kapil Kumar 18 marks, Surya Pratap 20 marks, sorry, Kapil Kumar got 20 marks, Surya Pratap 20, Hardik 21, Madhulika Rai 22, and Shailendra Denkar with 23 marks. So these are the top 10 top people who got top 10 marks. So they will be in the next round. Congratulations all of you, and welcome to the next round.
congratulations to all the winners who have qualified to round 2. And don't worry if you have not, because nothing happens if you lose, but very much happens if you attempt. So it's good that every one of you have showed up to the quiz. And the most powerful way to win an argument is by asking questions. It can make people see the flaws in their logic. With this code, I would like to congratulate all the participants who made till round 2. In this round, we will ask 4 direct questions to every participant individually.
Life is not measured by the number of breaths one takes, but by the moments that make us happy. And here are some of our sponsors who help making this event more happening. Lord Exeter, Life in Frames, Career Launcher, Phoenix, Vinod Store, Hung Gwalior, Cosmo Cafe and Lounge, Mangalam Department Store, Dream Arena, and Sunglow Parlor.
We have our another guest who has just joined, Advocate Modna Sharma. Ma'am, we are blessed to have you in this event, and thank you so much for sparing time from your busy schedule and judging the event. I invite Modna ma'am to say a few words to our participants. You can unmute yourself, ma'am. Okay, so there is a little network issue from Modna ma'am's side. No worry, we'll continue with the round second. So here are few rules of round two. In round two, four direct questions will be asked to the participants. The participants will have to answer each question within 20 seconds. In this round as well, there will be no negative marking. For each correct answer, you'll get 10 marks, and no marks will be awarded for any wrong answer, and top 5 participants will qualify for next round, which is round 3. And in case of tie, we have surprise questions to for the tiebreakers. So let's get started with round.
Yes, Mariam, do you have any query? Mariam, you can unmute. Mariam?
Okay. So we're about to begin with the second round. Our first participant is going to be Shailendra Dinkar. You can please switch on your camera as well as your mic.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes.
So we're just about to begin. So hold on, we're just about to begin. Okay, we have the slides. Shall we start? Shailendra, are you ready?
Yes.
Switch on your camera.
On.
All right. So the first question, Shailendra, is under which law a minor is capable of entering into contract? Option A, Indian Contract Act 1872. Option B, Majority Act 1875. Option C, Guardians and Wards Act 1890. And the last option is Contract Labor Regulation and Abolition Act 1970. The time starts now.
Uh,
10 seconds to go.
Option A.
Option A, absolutely correct. This is the correct answer, Shailendra. Okay. So now you ready for the next question?
Yes.
Okay. The Supreme Court of India imposed a ban on smoking in public in which of the following case? Your option is Munna versus State of UP. Option B, Murli S. Diora versus Union of India. Option C, Lakshmi Kant Pandey versus Union of India. And the last option is D.S. Nakara versus Union of India.
Option C. Lakshmikant Pandey.
Are you sure?
Yes.
This is the wrong answer. The correct answer is option B, which is Murli S. Diora versus Union of India. Okay, so the third question is, who is the current Prime Minister of New Zealand? Your options are option A, Jacinda Ardern, option B, Helen Clark, option C, Jenny Shipley, and option D, Christine Lagarde. Your time starts now.
Option B, Helen Clark.
Option B?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, that is the wrong answer. Option A is the correct answer, which is Jacinda Ardern.
Okay.
Okay, the next and the final question. Arun 3 is the hydropower project of which country to be built with assistance from India? Option A, Sri Lanka. Option B, Bangladesh. Option C, Nepal. And option D is Bhutan.
Option A, Sri Lanka.
Option is Sri Lanka.
Yes.
That is the wrong answer. The correct answer is option C, which is Nepal. Okay, Shailendra, well played. So your turn is over. Now
Thank you.
we have
Shailendra, you have got 10 marks out of 40.
okay. So now we have our next participant, Madhulika Rai. Please open your mic and your camera. Madhulika Rai,
Yes, ma'am.
you're here? Okay. Shall we begin? Are you ready? Am I audible to you?
Yes.
All right. So we're just about to begin. Hold on for a second. All right. So now we're about to begin with your turn. So the first question for you, Madhulika, is a person has designed a new type of scissors for cutting of clothes. Under which act can he seek protection of his invention? Your options are option A, Patents Act, option B, the Copyrights Act, option C, Consumer Protection Act, and option D, Arms Control Act. Your time has started.
Option A, the Patents Act.
Yes, your answer is absolutely correct, Madhulika. Congratulations. Okay, so your next question is, the Supreme Court held that children cannot be employed in factories that comes under the meaning of hazardous employment. This was held in which case? Option A, MC Mehta versus Union of India. Option B, Rural Litigation and Entitlement Kendra versus State of UP. Option C, Sheila Barse versus State of UP. And the last option is Dario versus State of UP.
Option A, MC Mehta versus Union of India.
Absolutely correct. This is the correct answer. Okay. Now, the third question is, who among the following is the first female chancellor of Germany? Option A, Nancy Pelosi. Option B, Angela Merkel. Option C, Mary Barra. And option D, Michelle Bachelet. Come on, you have 9 seconds to go.
Option D.
Option D?
Yes.
That's the wrong answer. Sorry. The correct answer is option B, which is Angela Merkel. The fourth and the last question for you is, which organization unanimously adopted its first COVID-19 related resolution and demanded an end to hostilities around the world? Option A, G20. Option B, UN Security Council. Option C, Commonwealth. And option D is NATO.
Option B.
Absolutely correct. This is the right answer. Option B, UN Security Council. Thank you so much, Madhulika. You can turn off your mic now.
Madhulika, you have got 30 marks out of 40.
All right, moving ahead to the third participant.
Okay, so we have another judge, Dr. Dharmendra Saxena. Welcome, sir, and thank you for gracing the event with your presence. Dr. Dharmendra Saxena is Senior Advocate of MP High Court, Bench Gwalior. Thank you, sir. I would like to invite you to speak some words. So please speak few words to our participants.
माइक, हाँ माइक आपने अनम्यूट किया हुआ है।
Sir, you are audible.
अभी तक आपका म्यूट था। हाँ, अब अभी तक क्या आपने मेरा माइक को म्यूट किया हुआ था पार्टिसिपेंट की तरह। आज के इस क्विज के लिए आप सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई। और आप लोग आज जो इस क्विज का आयोजन कर रहे हैं, ये निश्चित तौर पर प्रेस्टीज के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको लॉ के बारे में वो जानकारी मिलेगी जो एक माइलस्टोन की तरह होती है। जीके के माध्यम से, कंपटीशन के माध्यम से हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट के महत्वपूर्ण केसेस को स्टूडेंट
Let us move ahead. I think there is some issues at sir's end. So we'll continue with our quiz. Let us move ahead with third participant.
All right, so our third participant is Hardik. Could you please unmute yourself and switch on the camera?
Hello.
Hello, Hardik. Are you there?
आवाज आ रही है मैम?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you're audible.
क्विज के माध्यम से हम अपने लॉ के स्टूडेंट्स को वो इम्पोर्टेंट केस के बारे में जानकारी देते हैं, और ये केस में जब की जानकारी उनको पूरे जीवन भर याद रहेगी, क्योंकि उन्होंने लॉ के क्विज में पार्टिसिपेट किया है। अगर हम प्रश्न का जवाब गलत भी देते हैं तो सही आंसर जब हमको पता लगता है तो हमेशा के लिए वो हमको याद हो जाता है। इस तरह के छोटे छोटे प्रयास से हम अपने नए स्टूडेंट्स को, नई जो लॉ की जनरेशन आएगी, उसको मानसिक तौर पर इतना कानून के मामले में मजबूत कर देंगे कि जब वो जीवन के प्रत्येक क्षेत्र में जब वो मूव करेंगे तो ये ज्ञान उनके काम आएगा। भारत के संविधान में मौलिक अधिकार दिए गए हैं। खासकर हमको ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि संविधान ने जो हमारे मौलिक कर्तव्य हमको प्रदान किए हैं उनका हम पालन करें। अधिकार और कर्तव्य दोनों ही साथ साथ चलते हैं, और हमारा स्टूडेंट जब मौलिक कर्तव्यों की तरफ ध्यान देगा तो निश्चित तौर पर हम इस देश को एक अनुशासित, लॉ प्रिय और दूसरे के काम में डिस्टर्ब न करने वाला देश बना लेंगे। आमतौर पर हम मौलिक कर्तव्यों की कभी बात नहीं करते हैं, हम केवल अपने फंडामेंटल राइट की बात करते हैं, फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज की बात नहीं करते। आज अगर हम अपने देश में देखते हैं कि हमारे चारों तरफ कहीं ना कहीं लॉ का वायलेशन होता है, और वो लॉ का वायलेशन इसीलिए होता है कि हम अपनी फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज को भूल जाते हैं। हम हमेशा अपने फंडामेंटल राइट्स की बात करते हैं। तो मैं सभी स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि संविधान के तहत जो हमको फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज दी गई हैं उनको अवश्य पढ़ें और उनका पालन करें। और दूसरी बात, लॉ स्टूडेंट होने के नाते प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की जो प्रियम्बल है वो जरूर याद होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की जो प्रियम्बल है वो पूरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पार्ट है, उसको रिप्रेजेंट करती है। और जब भी कोई संविधान में ऐसी समस्या पैदा होती है तो भारत के संविधान की प्रस्तावना को ही सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट द्वारा पढ़ा जाता है, और उसी के आधार पर निष्कर्ष निकालने में मदद मिलती है। तो हम जब लॉ की बात करें तो हमें भारत के संविधान पर फोकस करना चाहिए, उसकी प्रस्तावना पे फोकस करना चाहिए, फंडामेंटल राइट्स पे करना चाहिए, का जुडिशियल जो सिस्टम है उसके बारे में पढ़ना चाहिए, पार्लियामेंट और जो एग्जीक्यूटिव है उनके बारे में पढ़ना चाहिए। अपने संविधान में वो सारी चीजें हमको प्रदान की गई हैं जो कि आने वाले समय में एक स्टूडेंट को जब वो कोर्ट में प्रवेश करता है, या कभी पब्लिक को फेस करता है, या कभी मीडिया को फेस करता है, या कभी सेमिनार्स में जाता है, तो सेमिनार्स में भी कई तरह के प्रश्न आते हैं। तो जब आप संविधान को अच्छी तरह से समझ लेंगे तब आपको इस देश की पूरी कानून और व्यवस्था आपको समझ में आ जाएगी। थैंक यू।
धन्यवाद सर, आपने काफ़ी अच्छी बातें कही और मेरा भी यही मानना है कि अगर हमें व्यवस्थाओं को सुधारना है तो उससे पहले हमें व्यवस्थाओं को जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है। मैं वापस से आपका धन्यवाद कहूँगी कि आप हमारे इस लॉ क्विज में एज एक्सपर्ट आए और हमें अपने एक्सपीरियंस से काफ़ी कुछ अच्छी बातें बताई। थैंक यू वंस अगेन सर।
All right. Thank you so much, sir. Now, let's begin, like actually resume with our quiz. So we have a third participant, Hardik. Please unmute yourself and also switch on your mic and your camera, sorry. Hardik, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you ready? Shall we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So the first question is, who of the following is credited with drafting the Indian Penal Code 1860? Your options are option A, Sir James Cameron, option B, Charles Wood, option C, John Travolta, and option D, Lord Macaulay. Nine seconds to go.
Option B, Charles Ford.
Option B, Charles Wood. Sorry, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is option D, which is Lord Macaulay. Okay, so the next question is, in which of the following cases did the Supreme Court allow passive euthanasia under exceptional circumstances. Your options are option A, Jian Kaur versus State of Punjab, option B, Aruna Shanbhag versus Union of India, option C, Sharda versus Union of India, and the last option is Seema versus Ashwini Kumar. Come on, 8 seconds to go.
Ma'am, option D.
Option D. This is the wrong answer. The correct answer is option B, which is Aruna Shanbhag versus Union of India. Okay. Moving on to the third question. Who among the following was the first female Prime Minister of UK? Option A, Theresa May. Option B, Margaret Thatcher. Option C, Erna Solberg. And option D, Judy Smith.
Option.
Come on.
Option D, Judy Smith.
Option D, Judy Smith. That is the wrong answer. I'm so sorry. The correct answer is option A. Okay. So the last question is, which country has passed the expat quota bill, which could force about 8 lakh Indians to leave when enacted? Option A, United Arab Emirates. Option B, Kuwait. Option C, Oman. And the last option is Bahrain.
Option B, Kuwait.
Absolutely correct. That is the right answer. Option B, Kuwait. Thank you so much, Hardik. You can unmute. You can mute yourself now. Okay.
So, Hardik, you have got 10 marks in this round. Congratulations.
Okay, so our sponsors of the event are Chaska FM, Vinayak Chocolates, Gwalior Diaries, Hideout Cafe, Anand Misthan Bhandar, Fix Flix Box, Sanjeevni, and Lord Dexter. Thank you, sponsors, for sponsoring our event.
Okay, so our fourth participant, Surya Pratap. Kindly unmute yourself and switch on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So let's begin. So the first question is, what does the legal term caveat emptor refer to? Option A, let the buyer be aware. Option B, according to value. Option C, an unwelcome person. And option D, beyond the powers.
Ma'am, A.
Absolutely correct. That is the right answer. Let the buyer be aware. Okay, moving on. The second question is, which landmark case of the Supreme Court held that speedy trial is an integral part of fundamental right to life and liberty under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution? Your options are option A, Nandini Satpathy versus P.L. Dani. Option B, Husainara Khatun versus Home Secretary, State of Bihar. Option C, Ahmed Khan versus Shah Banu Begum. And option D, Rajagopal versus State of Tamil Nadu.
Ma'am, option B.
Absolutely correct. This is the correct answer. Husainara Khatun versus Home Secretary, State of Bihar. Okay. Now we'll move on to the third question, which is, name the American presidents who was not assassinated in office. Option A, Abraham Lincoln. Option B, James A. Garfield. Option C, Theodore Roosevelt. And option D, John F. Kennedy.
Ma'am, option D.
That is the wrong answer. The correct answer is option C, which is Theodore Roosevelt. Never mind.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, moving on with the fourth and the last question. Which neighboring country of India has proposed to ban cow slaughter? Option A, Bangladesh. Option B, Nepal. Option C, Sri Lanka. And option D, China.
Ma'am, Nepal.
Sorry, that is the wrong answer. The correct answer is option C, Sri Lanka.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
All right, thank you so much.
Surya Pratap, you have got 20 marks.
Everybody, am I audible? Can I please know? You can either drop a message in the chat. Yeah? Okay. So our fifth participant is Kapil Kumar. Please unmute yourself and switch on your camera. Kapil, please unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Shall we begin? Are you ready?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Okay. So here's your first question. Which of the following is the oldest high court in India? Option A, High Court of Madras. Option B, High Court of Calcutta. Option C, High Court of Delhi. And option D, High Court of Allahabad. Eight seconds to go. All right. So the correct answer was option B, which is High Court of Calcutta. Moving on with the second question. In which landmark case triple talaq was declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court? Option A, Shaira Bano versus Union of India and others. Option B, Muhammad Khan versus Shah Bano Begum. Option C, Daniel Latifi versus Union of India. And option D, Shabana Begum versus Union of India.
Option D.
Option D, are you sure?
Um, Option B, I guess.
That is the wrong answer. The correct answer is option A, Shaira Banu versus Union of India and others. Okay. Moving on with the third question. Who has sworn in as the new Prime Minister of Sri Lanka after its parliamentary elections? Option A, Mahinda Rajapaksa. Option B, Gotabaya Rajapaksa. Option C, Mithrapala Sirisena. And option D, Mangala Samaravira.
Option A.
Option A, correct. That's the correct answer. Mahinda Rajapaksa. Okay. So the fourth and the last question is, which country has banned Chinese goods after naming them products of forced labor? Option A, India. Option B, United States. Option C, Russia. And option D, United Kingdom.
Option B, United States.
Absolutely correct. That is the right answer, Kapil. Thank you so much. You can.
Thank you so much.
So final marks of Kapil Kumar are 20. Congratulations, Kapil.
Okay, so now I would request Nidhi Jaiswal to unmute herself. Nidhi Jaiswal.
I'm audible?
Yes, you are audible. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so your first question is, who is the legal advisor to the Government of India? Your options are the Attorney General of India, the State Chief Legal Officer, the High Court, the Advocate General. Your time starts now. 5 seconds. At least try.
Option D.
Sorry, it's wrong answer. The correct answer is option A, the Attorney General of India. Okay, so the next question is, in which landmark legal case court explained the provision procedure established by law? Your options: Sajjan Singh versus State of Rajasthan, Minerva Mills versus Union of India, Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab, and the last option, Menka Gandhi versus Union of India.
Menka Gandhi versus Union of India.
Sure? All right, it's the correct answer. The next question. Who is the longest serving Prime Minister, Premier of Japan? Options: Yoshizaka Tatsuko, Shinzo Abe, Masaki Shirakawa, Haruhiko Kuroda.
Okay.
5 seconds.
Option A.
Sorry, it's the wrong answer. The correct answer is Shinzo Abe. Okay, so the last question. Which country played host to the virtual global vaccine summit? Your options are United States, United Kingdom, Japan, or South Korea. 10 seconds.
United Kingdom.
Yes, the answer is correct. It's United Kingdom. Thank you, Nidhi. You really played very well.
Nidhi, you got 20 marks. Nidhi, you have got 20 marks in this quiz round.
Okay, so now I would like to invite Palak. Please unmute yourself.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Thank you.
Okay, Palak, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's your first question. A public company must have at least dash directors, where a private company must have at least dash directors. Options are 3 is to 2, 2 is to 3, 2 is to 5, 8 is to 10.
8 is to 10.
Sorry, it's wrong answer. The correct answer is 3 is to 2. Okay, so next question. In which of the following cases it was held that the preamble is not the part of the Constitution? Berubari Union, V. S.R. Bomai versus Union of India, Keshwanand Bharti case, or Union of India versus LIC?
Perubari case.
Correct. Yes, your answer is correct. It's Berubari Union. Now, the next question. Mahmoud Jibril, who recently passed away from the COVID-19, was the former Prime Minister of which country? Your options are Italy, Brazil, Libya, or France.
It's option A.
Sorry, it's the wrong answer. The correct answer is Libya. Now, the last question. Which trade association organized the National Digital Conference on Ease of Doing Business for Atmanirbhar Bharat? The options are FICCI, Confederation of Indian Industry, ASSOCHAM, या NESCOM.
Option A.
Sorry, it's wrong answer. The correct answer is Confederation of Indian Industry. Thank you so much, Palak.
Thank you.
So, Palak, you have got 10 marks in this round. Congratulations.
Now the next participant is Surbhi. I would like you to unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes, Surbhi, you are audible.
Okay.
Okay, so here comes your first question. Your first question is software is protected as intellectual property in India primarily under the law of your options industrial designs, geographical indications, trademarks, or copyright.
Option D, copyright.
Yes, your answer is correct. It's copyright. The next question. In the following case, it was held that the secularism is the basic structure of the Constitution of India. Options S.R. Bommai versus Union of India, Husainara Khatun versus Home Secretary, State of Bihar, Sher Singh versus State of Haryana, Keshwanand Bharti case.
Keshwananda Bharti case. Option D.
Sorry, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is S.R. Bommai versus Union of India. Okay, so the next question. Indian origin economist and author Lord Meghnad Desai has resigned from a major party in which country, citing racism? Your options are United States, United Kingdom, Germany, or Australia. You have 5 seconds.
Germany.
Sorry, your answer was wrong. The correct answer is United Kingdom. Okay, so the last question for you is who represented India in the 2020 Roundtable of Asian India Network of Think Tanks? Options are Narendra Modi, S. Jaishankar, Piyush Goyal, Shaktikant Das.
Narendra Modi. Option A.
Sorry, answer is wrong. The correct answer is S. Jaishankar. Okay, thank you so much, Surbhi.
Okay.
Surbi, you have got one right answer. That is 10 marks.
Okay.
Now I would request Ashutosh Pandey.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashutosh, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here's your first question. Dash are intellectual property rights on confidential information which may be sold or licensed. Options are trade secret, industrial design, trademark, or copyright.
Option C, trademark.
Option C. Sorry, it's wrong answer. The correct answer is trade secret. The next question is in which landmark case the Supreme Court held that Muslim women have the right to maintenance? Options are Shaira Bano versus Union of India, Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Shahbano Begum, Shehnaz Hussain versus Union of India, Hossainara Khatun versus Home Secretary, State of Bihar.
Option C, Shehnaz Hussain versus Union of India.
So incorrect. The correct answer is Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Shahbano Begum. Okay, so the next question for you is a promised land in which of the famous world leader? Your options are Barack Obama, Joe Biden, Boris Johnson, Benjamin Netanyahu.
A, Barack Obama.
Correct answer. Now the next question and the last question for you is who will lead the Indian delegation in the 6th BRICS Parliamentary Forum 2020? Your options are Narendra Modi, Venkaiah Naidu, Om Birla, and Rajnath Singh.
Option B.
Option B. Sorry, it's incorrect. The correct answer is option C, Om Birla. Thank you so much, Ashutosh.
Thank you.
Ashutosh, you have got 10 marks.
Now, our last participant is Niharika. Kindly unmute yourself.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Just a second.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm so sorry for that inconvenience.
Okay, no problem.
Sorry.
So, are you ready?
Sure.
Okay, so here's your first question. As per Designs Act 2000, the features of a design upon its application to a finished article can appeal to and are judged solely by the. Your options are nose, ear, eye, tongue.
Option C, I.
Yes, it's the correct answer, eye. Now, the next question for you. In which landmark judgment did the Supreme Court of India lay down guidelines against sexual harassment of women at workplace? Your options are Neelabati Bahera versus State of Orissa, Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan, Menka Gandhi versus State of Union of India. Option D, Husainara Khatun versus State of Bihar.
Option B, Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan.
Yes, it's the correct answer. Now the next question. The question is, who represented India in the G20 Virtual Trade and Investment Ministers meeting through video conferencing? Your options, Nirmala Sitharaman, Piyush Goyal, S. Jaishankar, Amit Shah.
Option C, S. Jaishankar.
Sorry, it's incorrect. The correct answer is Piyush Goyal. Okay, so here's your last question. What is the theme of the Bangalore Tech Summit inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Your options, technology first, next is now, together we can, artificial intelligence for all.
Option B, next is now.
Yes, it's the correct answer. Thank you so much, Niharika. You really played very well.
Thank you.
So Niharika, in all you know, 30 marks.
Okay, participants, we have one more judge, Advocate Modna Sharma. Ma'am, thank you so much for being present here in our event. I would like to invite you to speak some few words to our participants and enlighten us. I told her 100. Ma'am, please unmute yourself. I think there is some network issues from ma'am's side. Okay, so we are moving forward with our results. Khyati, I will request Khyati ma'am to announce the result of the second round.
Okay, so we have our winners for round second of the law quiz. So first is Madhulika Rai from JC Mills Girls College with 30 marks. Second is Niharika Gaikwad from ITHAI Law School, Hyderabad with 30 marks. And third is Surya Pratap Singh Kaurav from Prestige Institute with 20 marks. And fourth is Kapil Kumar from Prestige Institute with 20 marks. And fifth is Nidhi Jaiswal from Prestige Institute with 20 marks. Okay, so these candidates will be going to the third round, and we will be starting our third round shortly. So all the best to all these participants.
Congratulations to all of you for qualifying for the third round. Congratulations again.
Okay, so I would again tell you the sponsors of our event. They are Lord Exeter, Sapiens Lifestyle, Career Launcher, Fix and Flix Box, Sanjeevni, Dream Arena, Gwalior Diaries, Hung Gwalior, CCA Group, and Vinod Store. Thank you all the sponsors and congratulations to all the participants who have qualified for the third round. We will start the round shortly. Till then, we will have some fun activities. We will be asking you some of the questions which you need to answer.
All right, so we're done with the second round. So, meanwhile, before we begin with the third round, we have a little activity planned for you, which is going to be a vocabulary test. So, this was something that we used to do as a child, back in middle school when we used to have dictation and stuff like that. So, this is going to be pretty similar to that. The only point being that you don't have to write anything here. Okay. So basically, the game vocabulary test is that I will be saying a word, all right, any normal word, and you will have to give me the meaning of that word, right? So, are you guys ready? Like, shall I begin? Anyone, please? Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first word, everyone, is sheer. SHEER. Quickly, give me like, what is the meaning of sheer?
Only.
No, 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 no. Not only. Anybody else? Come on.
Used to emphasize the side degree of amount or something.
You're pretty close, actually. Anybody else wants to give it a try? Or I should
Of
say the word?
something.
What?
Amount of something.
It actually means only. The precise word would be only. But you all were pretty close. Okay. So the next word is grasp. This is a very common word. You all should know this.
Catch.
To get a hold of something.
Yeah, exactly. Correct. Hold of something. The third word, again, it is very common, influential. Influential. We say, there are a lot of influencers these days on Instagrams. So, influential.
Feeling foolish.
No, 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 no. I'm sorry. Anybody else?
Effective or imposing.
Yeah, that is very close, like pretty close, you can say. Persuasive is the right word. Okay.
Yeah.
So, the next word is exertion. Exertion.
Extreme tiredness. Fatigue.
No. Yeah, okay, that is, yeah. You have different synonyms, so that is correct.
And
Another
Tanav
word.
type.
Sorry?
And Tanav stress.
Yeah, that is one meaning. I want the other one, like, when.
Okay. A work with very heavy efforts that make
Yeah,
your body.
correct, correct. That is absolutely right. Effort. Exertion means effort. Okay. And the last one we have today is attorney. Attorney. It's something which is, which law students should do.
Typical as lawyer, yeah, appointed as the
Correct.
effect for another in legal matters.
Absolutely correct. So I hope you all had fun. Now, just. Okay, so now we're going to begin with the third round for our law quiz today. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let's begin with the third round. To accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream, not only plan, but also believe. And with this great excerpt by Anatole France, I would like to begin with the third and the final round of our law quiz, FIAT Justitia. Here's a quick index of our sponsors: Shaska FM, Vinayak Chocolates, Gwalior Diaries, Hideout Cafe, Anand Mishthan Bhandar, Pix Flix Box, Sanjeevani, and Lord Dexter. We will be shortly announcing the rules for this round. Stay tuned.
We hope you guys are ready. Now we are beginning with the next round, which is the last round. Please listen to the instructions very carefully. It's round 3. It will consist 3 sub rounds, which is the picture round, the audio round, and the legal maxim round. The specific details of all these rounds shall be shared at the beginning of each round only. Whereas in all these rounds, the participants will have to drop the answers in the chat box. The picture round and audio round will have no options, and there will be no negative marking as well. Only the first 3 participants to respond will get 30, 20, and 10 marks respectively. The legal maxim round would be objective type, and in this round there shall be negative marking. For every correct answer, 10 marks shall be awarded, and for every incorrect answer, 5 marks will be deducted. So, if you guys have any query, you may raise your hand or unmute yourself to ask the question. Yes, Kapil?
Negative marking, I didn't understand. What is the negative marking?
Look, there are 3 sub rounds. First is picture round, second is audio round, and third is legal maxim round. The first 2 rounds, that is the picture round and audio round, does not have any negative marking. The negative marking will be only in the third round, that is the legal maxim round, and on giving any incorrect answer, 5 marks will be deducted.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Anyone else to have any query?
What we have to do in picture round actually?
Who's asking?
Maybe.
Okay. In picture round, you will be shown some famous personalities pictures, and you have to identify the name of the personality.
Okay.
For every round, we will disclose the. Yes.
I'm sorry for disturbance, मैम. इंडेज राउंड मैम क्या नाम है सेलिब्रिटी जो पर्सनैलिटी है मैम वो मतलब मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि लॉयर एम लॉ से फील्ड रहेगा कि अदर प्लेटफॉर्म?
No, overall. It will be from law field also and common also.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
We are supposed to type in our answers, or are we supposed to raise hands?
No, you have to type it in the chat box.
And we have to send it individually to the host. So
Yes.
is there a particular host we have to send the answer to?
No, you can send it to any of the host.
Sure, thank you.
Rules specifically for each round will be disclosed when the round will start. So we will start with our rounds very shortly. Okay, so here we are with our first round.
Okay, so we're good to go, guys. I hope all the rules are clear to everyone. Okay, so let us begin with the first round, which is the picture round. But before that, I would say the rules. So the picture round will have no options. There will be no negative marking. Pictures will be displayed one by one. The participants can drop the answer in the chat box as soon as they recognize the picture of the famous personality, whereas 10 seconds shall be given to answer the question. Only the first three participants to respond correctly will get 30, 20, and 10 points respectively. So, is it clear, everyone? Any doubt?
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, let's start with the first one. Name the famous legal personality. Come on, guys. Okay, nobody could guess it. The correct answer is Justice.
I dropped my answer actually, Shambhavi.
ma'am. I've also.
Yeah, don't worry, we got it. Yeah, we'll be back to this.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Actually, all of you dropped answer to different host. There is a host with name 127 PIMR. Okay. You have to drop answer to that only. Get it?
Yes, ma'am.
127 PIMR. Now we have got answers from different people. Now we will look into the time at the time which they dropped, and accordingly we will decide. So you need to wait for a few seconds. So Kapil Kumar is getting 30 marks and Surya Pratap is getting 20 marks, because first one who dropped the correct answer is Kapil Kumar and second one to drop the correct answer is Surya Pratap.
Okay, so
Ma'am, your voice is glitching.
Yes, ma'am.
the correct answer is Justice Sharad Arvind Bobde. Now we'll move on.
Niharika, you do not have to raise your hand. You have to just type the answer in the chat box for this round.
Sure. Is my hand raised? Because there's some sort of glitch in the app and I cannot see the raise hand option into altogether.
No, your hands, your hands is not raised.
All right, thank you. Because I'm trying to figure it out. All right,
No,
thank
don't
you.
worry. You just drop the answer in the chat box.
Sure.
Okay, moving on to the next question. Name the famous legal personality. Come on, guys, 3 seconds left. Okay. Okay, so the time's up. The correct answer is Dhananjay Yashwant Chandrachud.
And the correct answer is given by Niharika. So she is getting 30 marks. No one else has given the correct answer. Only Niharika has given the correct answer. So she is getting 30 marks.
Okay. Moving on with the third question. Name the famous lawyer. Okay, so the correct answer is Prashant Bhushan. Okay. So the fourth one is name the famous lawyer. Time's up. The correct answer is Harish Salve.
The name of advocate Prashant was given by Kapil, but it was after the time. Time was over when we received a response from Kapil, so no marks be awarded to Kapil.
Ma'am, actually, I
And
was writing, but this network is glitching, ma'am.
वो पहले ही आपको बताया था कि you have checking network issues.
Ma'am, my network is not glitching. Ma'am, actually, your network is glitching. I'm not getting your voice clearly. I'm getting Shambhavi's voice clear.
Okay, so we can give benefit of doubt over here. Okay, we'll give 30 marks to you because
Ma'am, your voice again dropped.
Even I am not able to hear anything. It's
Ma'am, actually, Shambhavi's voice is clear, but your voice is not audible. Is there anyone?
Okay, so let's move on with the fifth question.
Shambhavi,
Yes.
am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, what was ma'am saying?
She was actually saying that she could give you the benefit of doubt, but she said, however, she cannot give you marks for both the questions.
Okay, actually, not even me. All the participants are not able to hear ma'am's voice properly.
Yeah, I heard that. I heard that from others. We're fixing that.
So here, only my loss is there.
Don't worry, we'll just fix everything soon.
Okay, okay.
Okay, meanwhile, our technical glitch is getting fixed. I would just like to have a little, feedback session from you all. How are you, so far liking the event? Yeah.
If we ignore technical glitches, then it's rocking.
Yeah, definitely. I understand. I totally understand. We're fixing that. But otherwise, did you like the activities and the questions that we have for you? Everything.
Yeah, they are interesting.
Thank you. And except for that, how was your lockdown? How was,
It is excellent event.
everything?
It was fine, and just spending it in internships.
Internships, yeah, I can totally relate. I can totally relate. And others also, please, kindly, I would love if you guys interact. How was your lockdown? What did you do? Did you learn something new?
Ma'am,
And
CLAT preparation.
sorry,
CLAT preparation.
okay, CLAT preparation. So you were studying.
Yes, ma'am.
Didn't you guys do anything fun, except for studying and internships? Because of course that's a constant. Anything else? Okay.
PUBG is banned actually.
PUBG. A lot of things got banned during the lockdown, right? Okay.
RIP to many apps.
Okay, so guys, I think now we're done like with fixing our technical problem. Okay, so let's start with the fifth question of our picture round. Name the famous activist. Okay, time up. The correct answer is Greta Thunberg. Okay.
Hello?
Niharika, yeah, Niharika got the correct answer. Yeah.
Hello. Ma'am, actually, I have sent the answer to 127 PIMG, but they are showing that it's not the host and the answer is not reaching over there.
No problem, but we have reached, right? We know that Niharika, you answered the correct thing.
I'm not Niharika, I am Madhulika, and even I was sending the answer.
Okay. Name the famous politician. Okay, time's up. Boris Johnson is the correct answer.
Shambhavi,
Yeah.
actually, I was sending my answer, but 127 PIMR is not in the meeting, so answer was not sent.
Just a second, I'll convey it.
It.
Yeah, even I answered for number 6.
I'm also send Khyati ma'am.
Okay, don't worry. You can send the answers to me, right? Okay. So let's continue. All right. So please send the answers to Khyati ma'am. Okay. Let's continue. Name the famous Lebanese British barrister.
Lebanese British barrister.
Okay, everyone. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. This is also. Okay, Niharika will get 30 marks for the sixth question.
I have send answers to you.
Yes, ma'am. And the seventh answer was answered by Kapil Kumar. Kapil and then Madhulika.
I have also.
Hello?
Yeah, so Kapil, yeah.
Even I have sent the sixth answer. I don't know what is the problem in the chat box. Is it not? Is the answer not reaching to the host?
You are supposed to send the answer to. You're supposed to send the answers to Khyati Nayak, ma'am.
I did for the sixth question too.
Yeah, so we just announced also, like you answered it correctly. Maybe there was some problem. You could not hear it.
I'm also.
Okay, so the sixth one was answered by Niharika.
Even I did. That is what problem is.
We didn't receive your answer.
But I can send that screenshot. I did.
Okay. Okay, Madhulika, if you send us a screenshot, we can award you 20 marks.
Okay, sure. Where should I send the screenshot?
You send it on the group right now.
Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Shambhavi, group is not permitted for everyone to chat. It's only set to admin.
Yes.
Send it to the admin privately or Akshada. Just send it to anybody of us.
Okay.
Okay, now when all the issues have been resolved, shall we move forward?
Let her send first.
Okay, fine. Let's wait till then.
Yes, I sent it.
All right, we got it. We're just checking it. All right, fine. We've seen it. Okay. Once again, before we begin, please guys send all of your answers to Khyati Nayak ma'am. Okay. Let's move on with the eighth question. Name the famous royal personality. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Time's up, guys. The correct answer is Prince Harry. Um, okay, answered by Niharika, who will receive 30 points, and Madhulika, who will get 20 points. Okay, moving on with the next question. Name the famous personality. Three, two, one. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is Elon Musk. Okay, Kapil will get 30 marks for this answer. And Surya Pratap Singh will get 20 marks for the same. And Niharika, you will get 10 marks. Moving on with the 10th and the final question of our picture round. Name the famous personality. Time's up, guys. The answer is Shri Keshavanand Bharati. And the only person who answered correctly is Nidhi Jaiswal. Congratulations, you'll get 30 marks. So guys, with this, our first sub round for the third round, which is the picture round, has come to an end. Now we'll move on to the audio round. And before we start with that, I would just like to apologize for the technical glitches we faced in the previous round. I'm extremely sorry for it.
Shambhavi,
Yeah,
will you announce the total for first round or not?
just a second. Okay, Kapil, so the result would be announced in like 2 to 5 minutes, right? So till then, I would just announce the name of our sponsors. Law Dexter, Sophie Lifestyle, Career Launcher, Hunk Gwalior, CCA Group, Vinod Store, Gwalior Diaries, Pix Flix Box, Sanjeevani, and Dream Arena. Okay, guys, till then, like meanwhile, the results are getting calculated. Let's come back to what we were discussing earlier, which is what you guys actually did during the lockdown. Okay, did you guys do nothing? Because I'm getting no response.
Then learn to car, learn car driving.
Okay.
I did a certificate course meanwhile.
That is great. I did one too online. Okay, so are you guys excited? We have the results.
Yes, excited. If
All right.
technical problems are executed.
Okay. Okay.
Because
So
my two questions are in doubt.
never mind. You're still on the first position. Congratulations, Kapil Kumar. You're in the first position with 120 marks. On second position, we have Niharika with 130 marks. Okay, sorry. All right. So 130 marks, Niharika. Then we have Madhulika with 60 marks. After that, we have Surya Pratap with 40 marks. And then we have Nidhi Jaiswal with 30 marks. Congratulations, guys.
Shambhavi,
Yeah,
my marks are 120 or 150.
120. Sorry, there was a mistake from my side. I'm extremely sorry for that. It's a little confused.
So my two questions were in doubt. So only one question mark will be awarded. Because I have answered 5 questions and its total begins to 150.
Ma'am, I have also.
See, that was according to like who answered first. If whosoever answered first got 30 marks. Likewise, who answered second received 20 marks.
Yeah,
So
but I answered first and the third question, that is Advocate Salve. Only I have answered, no one else answered, and I have not get, I
see,
thought,
but
marks of that.
the results, the answer was in the chat box, right? So
And ma'am, barrister को मैम अमन का
Just a
मैंने
minute, Kapil and Surya Pratap. Actually, because of that technical glitch, I received answer from one person and Khyati ma'am received answer from the other person. Kapil Kumar gave answer at 2:11. Sorry, one person gave answer at 2:11 and other was gave answer. Kapil, you gave answer at 2:13 seconds. It is only difference of few seconds. Okay, but the first correct answer got 30 marks, and then who gave second answer means second correct answer, the person got 20 marks. So accordingly we calculated, and after every question we announced that this person is getting these many marks. Is it clear now?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you have not awarded 20 marks by dictating in any of the question to me. I've got 4 answers from your side, that is 30, 30, 30 in all the answers, and not get a single 20 from your side.
Gave 4 correct answer first.
Yes, ma'am.
You got 30 marks in all the 4 answers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Then 20 marks in which question?
You have got 30 marks in 4 answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Not 20 marks. 20. Surya Kumar got 20 marks in a question. Let me tell you. In
Yes,
first answer, Kapil Kumar got 30. In
Yes,
third,
ma'am.
Kapil Kumar got 30. Then in 7th picture, Kapil Kumar got 30. And in 9th picture, Kapil Kumar got 30. Okay?
Ma'am,
फोर्थ क्वेश्चन जिसका जो टेक्निकल ग्लिच था उसको हमने हटा ही दिया है. ओके, जिस पिक्चर पे ज्यादा मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी एज होस्ट, आप लोगों ने रिस्पॉन्सेज मुझे भेजे थे और मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी, तो वो फोर्थ पिक्चर हमने हटा ही दिया है. वी हैव नॉट अवॉर्डेड एनी मार्क्स टू एनी पर्सन ऑन फोर्थ. ठीक है कपिल?
Fourth picture is of ma'am which person?
Let me check. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Salve.
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
Okay. Now, any
Yes,
issue?
ma'am. No, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Is it clear, Kapil?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so we are done with the picture round. Now we are going to begin with the audio round. You all were very good in the pictures and you really identified it correctly. So now we are starting with the audio. Here are the rules of the audio round. you all will hear a audio clip and you have to identify the voice of the personality speaking it. It will not only be related to the law field, it's overall and it can be anything. Okay, so here are the rules of the audio round. The audio round will have no options. There will be no negative marking as well. Audio will be played one by one. The participants can drop the answer in the chat box as soon as they recognize the voice of the famous personality, even during the audio is being played. Whereas, after the audio ends, additional 10 seconds shall be given to answer the question. Only the first three participants to respond correctly will get 30, 20, and 10 points respectively. Is there any doubt?
No, Di.
Okay. Again, I am repeating. You all can drop the answers if you recognize the voice in the chat box while the audio is being playing. You can drop the answer, and additional 10 seconds will also be given to you to answer the question. And again, the same criteria as the picture round. Three participants who respond earlier will get 30, 20, and 10 points respectively. Don't get confused in that. Answers to you? Okay, so you all guys have to drop the answers to Shambhavi. Do send the answers of the audios to Shambhavi. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so we are starting with the round. First audio clip will be, you will hear the first audio clip. Identify the famous member of parliament.
Audio is not audible.
Wait a moment. Just wait a moment. We are playing it.
Okay. So once again, meanwhile, our technical.
The first audio is
फेलोशिप नहीं मिल रही है, छात्र कश्मीर का था, नाम उसका इकबाल रसूलदर।
Guys, please listen to the audio and then answer the question.
एविडेंस है, फेलोशिप नहीं मिल रही थी, उन्होंने गुहार लगाई। 1 माह के अंतराल में 1 लाख से भी ज्यादा की उनकी फेलोशिप का न्याय मैंने अपने मंत्रालय के माध्यम से किया। मैं आज आपका ध्यान आकर्षित करती हूँ कि आज इस सदन में कई लोगों ने आरोप लगाया और कहा कि इस अधिकार
Okay, so I hope you all must have identified the voice. You have 5 seconds more to answer. Okay, so now time's up. We have got the responses. The first response was by Niharika, 30, and the second response was from Madhulika. So she gets 20 marks.
Excuse me, I have a question here.
Yes, Niharika.
So, we're supposed to send the answers to Shambhavi, right? Or to 1 to 7 PIMR?
Shambhavi.
All right, sure. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Actually, I have sent the answer way before audio has started. Just started a little bit. Can you please check the timing again, because I have a doubt whether I was at first or at second. Please just check it once.
We are just coordinating with each other, but I request you to please send the answer to Shambhavi.
Yes, I did to her only. First also and second also. Like I have sent it 2 times, because first you played the audio, then again you have paused, then again you played. So I have sent the answer at the first time only. So please
But
can
we
you
have... Okay, we will talk to the judges and then let you know.
Okay.
And I request all the participants to please turn on your cameras.
Okay, so we're turning the second audio on, and please make sure that you send the answers to me only, that is Shambhavi. Okay?
This is the ideal that was carved into our constitution. This is the very constitution that each of us has sworn to protect. But this constitution is under threat. Today. Of course, you may disagree with me. You may say, Achhe din are here, and the sun will never set on this Indian empire that this government is seeking to build. But then you're missing the signs. You are missing the signs, and if you would open your eyes, you would see that there are signs everywhere that this country is being torn apart. In the few minutes that have been allotted to me, let me list out these dangerous signs. The first sign, there is a powerful and continuing national attack.
Okay, so now you have 10 seconds to answer and identify the voice. 4, 3.
मैम जैसे ऑडियो में कर देते तो मैम मान जाएगा।
So we haven't received any answers. Yes, Surya Pratap?
मैम जैसे ऑडियो चल रहा है और रिकॉग्नाइज कर लिया, देन मैंने सेंड कर दिया मैसेज से, माना जाएगा ना काउंटिंग में?
हाँ माना जाएगा. You can answer.
I have sent.
You have sent after the time is up. So
No ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, then audio split, then I have sent message.
You have sent to whom?
Ma'am, Shambhavi ma'am.
But we haven't received your answer.
I have sent already, ma'am.
Even I have sent the answer. I don't know whether it's right or wrong, but I have sent the answer.
I have sent.
Yes, Madhulika.
Those who are saying that they've sent the answers, you guys sent it, like we received it after the time was up. So it
No,
will
ma'am,
not
I
be
have
counted.
sent before the timing starts.
Could you please say your name?
I'm Surya Pratap.
Yeah, of course, but that's the wrong answer. We're talking about the correct answers, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
So the voice in this second audio was of Mahua Moitra. Okay, so here's your third audio clip. You have to identify the famous American civil rights activist which by this famous public speech.
I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal. That one day on the red hills of Georgia, sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will they be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream.
Okay, so we have received the answers. The first Yes, now the time is up. We are disclosing the answer. This speech was of Martin Luther King Jr. and the correct answer was given by Surya Pratap, Madhulika and Niharika.
I had also given.
Who's this?
Nidhi.
You might have given later on and the...
I have given before the timing.
You have given before the timing, but only 3 entries will be considered and they will be awarded the marks. So Surya Pratap has got 30, Madhulika 20 and Niharika 10. Here's your fourth audio. Identify the famous politician.
Staying with India, between 15 and 29 million Indians died of starvation in British-induced famines. The most famous example, of course, was the Great Bengal famine during the Second World War, when 4 million people died because Winston Churchill, deliberately as a matter of written militant policy, proceeded to divert essential supplies from civilians in Bengal to sturdy Tommies and Europeans as reserve stockpiles. He said that the starvation of anyway underfed Bengalis mattered much less than that of sturdy Greeks. This is Churchill's actual quote. And when conscience-stricken British officials wrote to him, pointing out that people were dying because of this decision, he peevishly wrote,
Okay, so your time starts now. Now the time is up. The voice was of Shashi Tharoor. It was a part of speech given at Harvard University about British colonialism. So the correct answer was Shashi Tharoor. And the entries we have received are from Niharika. So she gets 30 marks and Madhulika gets 20 marks. No other answered it correctly. So now here's your last audio clip. You need to identify the famous personality who delivered this speech at World Parliament of Religions.
Sisters and brothers of America. It fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise in response to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us. I thank you in the name of the most ancient order of monks in the world. I thank you in the name of the mother of religions. And I thank you in the name of the millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and sects. My thanks also to some of the speakers on this platform who, referring to the delegates from the Orient, have told you that these from far-off nations.
Okay, so your time starts now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So we have received the entries, but let me tell you the correct answer. This voice was of Swami Vivekanand. He gave his famous Chicago speech on 11th September 1893 at World Parliament of Religions. So the correct answer was given by Madhulika. She gets 30. Kapil gets 20 and Nidhi Jaiswal gets 10 marks. Okay, so here we come to the end of our... Who's this? Surya Pratap?
Surya, what was my timing?
Your timing? 2:52 p.m. 2:52.
Okay, ma'am.
So here our second sub round comes to an end. We will just let you know the total marks of first and second round both. Okay, so here once again we will like to announce our sponsors. Law Dexter, Sapiens Lifestyle, Career Launcher, Hung Gwalior, CCA Group, Fix and Flex Box, Vinod Store, Sanjeevni, Dream Arena, and Gwalior Diaries. Thank you are all the sponsors. You all guys are really very good. You all recognize the voices very nicely. Have you heard all these speeches? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. We are removing the first audio.
Okay, everyone, I want to give a little update. The first audio has been discarded by the judges due to the technical problems. All right? Okay. So meanwhile, the judges are calculating the results. You guys can tell about yourself, like introduce yourself and your hobbies or whatever you would like to say about yourself.
I'm myself, Subratap Singh Kaurav,
Okay.
and I'm from Prestige Institute of Management. I'm pursuing BBLLB honors,
Okay.
and before that, I've just cleared the CLED exam, and I secured 1900 rank all over India.
Okay. So is it your first year here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you like everything
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
far. You're welcome. Anybody else? Come on, there's so much to say about your own self. Like nobody knows yourself better than you, right? Okay, let's get back. Who else wants to say something? What? Nobody wants to say. Okay, I will. I think I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. Okay. So, my name is Shambhavi. You all have come to know about that till now. And I am doing my second year, like I'm in my third semester of BA LLB honors in Prestige Institute of Management. Um, so I am basically from Gurgaon, and I have been living here since last few years. And yeah, and what else? Okay, I kind of sing as well, right? Yeah, and I sometimes sing. Last year I was a part of the band, so that's my little thing, what I did till now in my first year of college. However, now we have the results in our hands. So, okay. Okay, so we have the results of the second round now. So the selected participants are Kapil Kumar, one with 140 marks. Then we have
Shambhavi is announcing results of total score of first and second round. There is nothing about qualification or disqualification. All the 5 participants will participate in the next round as well. She's just announcing total marks of all the participants.
okay. So we have with 140 marks we have Kapil Kumar. Then we have Niharika with 170 marks, Madhulika with 130 marks, Surya Pratap with 70 marks, and Nidhi with 40 marks. Congratulations, guys. We're going to the third and our final sub round, which is going to be the legal maxims round.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let's start with our third sub round, that is the legal maxim rounds. The rules of this rounds will be shared shortly. The rules of this third sub round, the legal maxim round, are the legal maxim round would be objective type. In this round, there shall be the negative marking. For every correct answer, 10 marks shall be awarded and 5 marks shall be deducted for every wrong answer. The participants will be required to drop their answers in the chat box. The participants will have to answer the questions within 10 seconds. Response submitted after 10 seconds will not be considered for evaluation. And the answers you need to drop to the Shambhavi. And I will make it very much clear that this round contains negative marking. For every incorrect answer, 5 marks will be deducted from the score which you have got yet, and 10 marks will be awarded for every correct answer. Okay, so now we are starting. Here's your first question, first maxim. Quo est necessarium est licitum. The options, you need to find out the meaning. The options are: what is necessary is lawful, necessity knows no law, what is lawful is necessary, all of the above. Okay, so time's up. Okay, so now time's up. The correct answer is option A. What is necessary is lawful. So we have answers.
Niharika gets plus 10 as she gave the correct answer. Okay, so we will disclose the and Madhurika gave incorrect answer, so she gets minus 5. So now we will show you second legal maxim. Sic uti tu ut elinum non ledas. Tell the meaning of this maxim. Your options: the malicious injury to property of your neighbor. Option B, use your property so as not to injure that of your neighbors. Option C, injury caused by reason of the act or omission of the neighbor. Option D, none of the above. Your time starts now. Okay, so time's up. The correct answer is option B, use your property so as not to injure that of your neighbors. Okay, so all 4 participants gave correct answer. Surya Pratap, Nidhi, Madhulika and Kapil. They will be awarded plus 10 and Niharika's answer was incorrect, so minus 5 will be deducted from the score. So now the next maxim, prior tempore potior iure. The meaning, your options are: as a matter of fact, earlier in time, stronger in law, before you hear, do not judge, none of the above. Your time starts now. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is option B, earlier in time, stronger in law. Only 2 have given the answers, that is Madhulika and Surya, and both the answers are correct. So they will be awarded plus 10.
I have answered also.
But time was up, and might be you have given the wrong answer or you haven't given.
My answer was B, and I have sent my
So it might be you have given after the time is up.
I have sent answer at 15:04.
Kapil, you have given the answer, but we received it late after the time was up. So that will not be counted.
But I have sent it my answer.
Yeah, we can see that. We have your answer, but you gave it after the time was up.
Maybe I had also given before the time when the 3 or 4 seconds were left there. That time I have given.
I have answered at the 4 second. I have sent on 4 second.
Nidhi Jaiswal, can you please turn on your camera? Yes. Okay. And Niharika, you will be getting minus 5 since you answered it wrong.
Madhulika, switch on your video.
Shambhavi?
Yes.
What judges are saying about this?
They're saying that, since you answered late after time was up, that answer will not be counted.
But actually, I have sent at 4 seconds when the timer is at 4.
No, but we have received it late now.
But this is common sense. If we sent a message, then it doesn't received it only at that 1 second of time.
Common sense. I mean, saying that
See, it will not be valid.
ओके ठीक है।
Kapil, rules were made very clear earlier itself that if you will give answer whether it is right or wrong, it will not be evaluated. Even if you would have given wrong answer, तो आपका negative marking भी हम नहीं करते because you would have given if wrong answer. तो time up होने के बाद हम negative भी नहीं करते आपका कोई marks और अब plus भी नहीं करेंगे because you answered it after the time was over. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so now we are displaying fourth maxim. Pacta sunt servanda. Identify the meaning. Your options are: treaties between states are to be respected, international law must be upheld, a diplomat not acceptable to the receiving state, a contract can never be severed. Time started. Okay, so time's up. The correct answer is option A. Treaties between states are to be respected. Only Surya Pratap gave the answer, but it was incorrect. So -5 will be deducted. So now the next question. Par delictum. What is the meaning of this word par delictum? Your options: by their neglect, equally at fault, by itself, by default. Time starts now. Time's up, guys. The correct answer is equally at fault, option B. So Kapil gave incorrect answer, so -5 will be deducted from the total score and Niharika will be awarded +10. Yes, Surya Pratap? Surya Pratap, do you have any query? You want to speak anything? Just unmute yourself.
मैम मैंने आंसर नहीं दिया था, क्या नाम है उसका, फोर्थ का मैंने कुछ भी नहीं बोला था मैम, फिर भी आपने -5 कर दिया।
Exactly, Surya Pratap, that was a problem. You did not give any answer. Previous उसका देख लिया था, that we got the thing and Shambhavi was going to correct that, लेकिन उसके पहले ही आपने hand raise कर दिया. Okay, you will not be getting -5.
Okay, there was a problem with the fourth question. Surya Pratap didn't give the answer and the answer was given by Nidhi, but it was incorrect. So -5 will be deducted from her total score. We are really very sorry from our part. Now the last question. Key facet per alium facet per se. Options: an agent cannot delegate further, he who acts through another does the act himself, what one can do himself cannot do through agent, all the above. Your time starts now. Okay guys, time up. The correct answer is option B. He who acts through another does the act himself. So we received 2 entries, Surya Pratap and Madhulika, and both have answered it correctly. So they will be awarded +10. So here we come to the end of this round. That means end of overall round 3. I hope you all enjoyed very much. And sorry for all the inconvenience.
Kapil has raised his hand. Yes, Kapil. Unmute yourself.
Actually, I have query in last second question.
Second last question. The fifth question.
Yes.
Yes, please.
I have sent the answer after the timestamp and -5 is given to me. But in previous question, previously
No,
from
no,
that last third question, 10 marks were not awarded to me. Why?
no. You answered it within the time frame. Wait, just a second.
कपिल, जिसमें आपने आफ्टर टाइम दिया था रॉन्ग आंसर, मैंने आपको पहले ही क्लियर बताया, यू विल नॉट गेट -5, है ना? पहले ही मैंने बताया जब यू हैव म्यूटेड योरसेल्फ कपिल.
Yes, ma'am.
मैंने आपको पहले बताया था ना कि यू विल नॉट गेट -5 since you gave the answer after time, after that duration was awarded for giving the answer. आपने उस टाइम के बाद आंसर दिया था, रॉन्ग आंसर था, उसके लिए हम कोई माइनस मार्किंग नहीं कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? I have
Yes, ma'am.
already
But
explained this thing.
ma'am, last third question was right, which I answered B.
Third question.
But you are saying that it's after timestamp, right?
Yes, तो उसमें आपको प्लस भी नहीं मिल
Yeah.
रहा.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो
In that
माइनस भी नहीं
question, I
मिला
am
ना.
not getting plus and also not minus.
Yes, you're
But
not
after
getting any
that,
minus mark. You will not get be awarded +10. जहाँ
yes, ma'am.
पर भी आपने after that time you responded. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. But in next question, in second last question, that I was rewarded as -5.
In second last question, no.
Yes.
No,
Yes,
no.
ma'am. But Shambhavi
Yes.
told me.
Shambhavi, when Kapil gave reply within time duration, you gave answer within time duration. Okay.
But ma'am, I
So
have
in
answered
that,
at after 0, 0.
at that particular point itself, है ना?
Yes,
At
ma'am.
that particular point.
In second last
After,
question.
हाँ,
After
in second
0, 0.
last. Now what do you want, Kapil? What do you want? Just tell me that. At 0, 0, we got your answer. That was not after time. That was on time.
Ma'am,
On
ma'am,
time.
I am saying
Isn't
that
it?
I have answered after 0, 0.
Okay, you don't want to get -5. That you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
saying.
Yes,
Let us
ma'am.
check with Dharmendra sir. Are you here? We can Dharmendra sir. I think he is unable to receive my call.
हाँ जी.
Sir, actually there was a confusion. There was a like doubt. कपिल
हाँ
कह रहे
बताएं.
हैं, कपिल कह
जी.
रहे हैं कि 0, 0 जब हमारा टाइमर चल रहा था, टाइमर
जी.
एग्जैक्ट 0, 0 पे था. We got his answer. तो
जी.
आंसर गलत था और उसमें -5 इनको मिलना था.
जी.
ये कह रहे हैं जब 0, 0 था तो मेरा आफ्टर टाइम हो गया तो मुझे माइनस मार्किंग नहीं किया जाना चाहिए.
0, 0 के आफ्टर जब 1 स्टार्ट हो जाएगा तो आफ्टर हो जाएगा.
नहीं, 0,
है ना.
0 पे
0,
था.
0.
बिल्कुल हमने
हाँ,
बैक
जैसे.
काउंट शुरू किया था 10 से.
हाँ.
तो 0, 0 पे ही हमें इनका जवाब मिल गया था हमारे
हाँ,
चैट बॉक्स में.
जैसे जब रात में घड़ी में 12 बजते हैं तो 0, 0 आ जाता है.
जी
तो
सर.
वो इन टाइम ही कहलाता है. और जैसे ही 1 सेकंड हो जाता है तो वो एक अलग आ जाता है, तो वो आफ्टर टाइम हो जाता है.
ठीक है, तो हम इनको -5 हमें देना चाहिए सर.
जी बिल्कुल देना चाहिए.
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. Kapil, you'll get -5 as we have clearly mentioned that the judge's decision will be final. So, judges, now do I have permission to announce the final results?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So, first position goes to, anyone wants to claim? Anyone is having any idea that who may get the first position क्योंकि previous scores आपके पास हैं? Congratulations, Neharika. You are at first position. For second and third position, we have a tie. So we will be going in tiebreaker round, and the tie is between Kapil and Madhulika. Both of them got 145 marks. And after that, Surya Pratap is there at 100 marks. Nidhi is with 40 marks, 45 marks, sorry. Okay. So we will be playing tiebreaker round with Kapil and Madhulika for second and third position. Whosoever will be winning in tiebreaker round will be given second position, and the other will get the third position. Madhulika, please switch on your video. Thank you, Madhulika. Let us move in tiebreaker round.
Hello?
Yes, Madhulika.
Ma'am, is my total 145 or 155?
145. Your previous score was 130. You get plus 10 for 2 marks, 2 questions, and minus 5 for 1 question. Okay? Kapil, in your case, your previous score was 140. Okay? Plus 10 for 1 and minus 5 for the other. We are going into tiebreaker round, Kapil. Wait for that.
Ma'am, am I audible to all? Am I audible, ma'am? Ma'am, am I audible?
Kapil?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you may speak.
Yes, I want to ask. जब मैंने क्वेश्चन का आंसर लास्ट थर्ड क्वेश्चन का आंसर 04 पे आंसर किया तो वो आपके पास बियॉन्ड टाइम 00 के बाद पहुंच रहा है, और 00 के बाद क्वेश्चन का आंसर किया है वो ऑन टाइम आपके पास 00 पहुंच रहा है, तो ये गलत बात है. When I am saying like I have answered at 04 and 04 पे मेरा आंसर सेंड हो
There
चुका
are some there may be some network issues, और ये rule book में पहला mention था that you need to ensure your internet connection.
Ma'am,
देखिए मेरे internet connection में glitch था, that's why I'm not asking to get any response to me. I have decentralized that thing, I have delegated that thing, and some other person is receiving answers on my behalf because there was technical glitch, isn't it? But at your end, if any technical glitch is there, that we cannot remove or that we cannot do anything with that. And why others should suffer for your technical glitch, isn't it?
Okay, so now here we are going to conduct tiebreaker round between Kapil and Madhulika. These are the rules of this tiebreaker round. 5 questions will be asked one by one to all the participants, to Madhulika and Kapil both. Participant will be required to drop the answers in the chat box. The first participant to drop the correct answer will be awarded 10 marks for each question answer correctly. The participants can drop the answer in the chat box as soon as the question will be displayed and read by the author. Whereas the question shall be answered within the count of 10. At the end, participant have higher score will go to the next round.
Sorry to interrupt. May I have all the judges' attention? May I have attention of all the judges? So Kapil has left. Kapil has left the meeting. कपिल और मधुलिका के बीच में टाई हुआ था
जी
कपिल ने ये गेम छोड़ दिया है मे बी ही फेल्ट बैड जो भी मैंने उसको कहा मे बी ही फेल्ट बैड इसलिए वो गेम छोड़ के चले गए हैं
जी
तो अब हमें क्या करना चाहिए थर्ड पोजीशन पे सूर्य प्रताप थे फोर्थ पोजीशन पे निधि थी और सेकंड पोजीशन पे टाई था कपिल और मधुलिका के बीच में कपिल ने गेम छोड़ दिया है तो क्या जो थर्ड पोजीशन
गेम ओवर हो गया अभी क्या नहीं कंटिन्यू है
गेम ओवर नहीं था हम टाई ब्रेकर में खेल रहे थे थर्ड और फोर्थ सेकंड और थर्ड पोजीशन डिसाइड करने के लिए
हाँ तो आप उनको छोड़ के आगे बढ़िए
तो फिर तो रिजल्ट सर हमारे साथ
ये उनका अपना निर्णय है गेम छोड़ने का
हाँ सो फोर्थ पोजीशन पे जो
हाँ ये गेम छोड़ने का निर्णय उनका अपना है
ठीक है
एक बार उनसे आप कंफर्म कर लीजिए आर यू कंटिन्यू और नॉट
सर वो हम कॉल कर रहे हैं उनको
हाँ कभी कभी टेक्निकल कोई प्रॉब्लम से भी हो जाता है और अगर उन्होंने डेलिबरेटली कुछ किया है तो आप उनको छोड़ के आगे बढ़िए
हाँ ठीक है सर तो उस केस में सर हमारे पास जो 5 कंटेस्टेंट थे फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे निहारिका थी वो तो क्लियर विनर है ही सेकेंड और थर्ड पोजीशन पे टाई था तो ये टाई ब्रेकर राउंड में हम गए थे टाई ब्रेकर राउंड में हम लोग गए थे मधुलिका और कपिल के साथ कपिल ने क्योंकि गेम छोड़ दिया है तो हमारे पास सेकंड पोजीशन के लिए मधुलिका है और थर्ड पोजीशन के लिए सूर्य प्रताप क्योंकि कपिल कुमार सर दोबारा आ गए हैं हम उनको मीटिंग में एंटर करा रहे हैं कपिल आप फिर से कपिल there is some network issues at his part और उस network glitch के कारण वो हमें बोल रहे हैं कि problems हैं yes Kapil are you there in meeting you have not connected your audio Kapil is not connected
yes ma'am actually my cell gets switched off
इसी तरह के नेटवर्क इश्यूज होते हैं कपिल और आपने बिल्कुल सही टाइम पे एंटर किया अदरवाइज वी वर अबाउट टू डिक्लेयर द रिजल्ट
I know ma'am but my cell got switched off
okay so you are now in game and we are playing with tiebreaker we are going in tiebreaker round
ma'am let me read the rules
yes please
Okay, since there was some problem with Kapil's phone, so I'm again repeating the rules of the tiebreaker round. 5 questions will be asked one by one to Madhulika and Kapil. Participant will be required to drop the answers in the chat box. The first participant to drop the correct answer will be awarded 10 marks for each question answered correctly. The participants can drop the answer in the chat box as soon as the question will be displayed and read by the author, whereas the question shall be answered within the count of 10. At the end, participants having higher score will go to the next round. The decision of the judges shall be final and binding. So now we are going to start with our tiebreaker round. Do send the answers to Shambhavi. So Madhulika and Kapil, are you both ready? Madhulika, please turn on your video. Okay, so now we are starting. Do drop the answers in the chat box to Shambhavi. Okay, here's your first question. Who was the first Chief Justice of MP High Court? Justice J.S. Verma, Justice Hidayatullah, Justice P.V. Dikshit, or Justice G.P. Singh? Your time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So we have got the answer. Madhulika gave it first and she will be awarded plus 10. The correct answer is option B, Justice Hidayatullah. So here's your next question. Who among the following is known as the Green Judge? Justice Kuldeep Singh, Justice P.N. Bhagwati, Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer, Justice G.T. Nanavati. Your time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is Justice Kuldeep Singh, option A. It was given by Kapil Kumar and he will be awarded plus 10. Next question. Who among the following introduced the concept of public interest litigation in India? Options: Justice K.G. Balakrishna, Justice P.N. Bhagwati, Justice Kuriam Joseph, Justice H.J. Kania. Time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay, it was also answered by Kapil and he will be awarded plus 10. The correct answer for this question is option B, Justice P.N. Bhagwati. Now the next question. Who among the following was the first judge from Dalit community to be the CJI? Options are Justice L. Nageshwar Rao, Justice S.C. Rao Roy, Justice Santosh Hedge, Justice K.G. Balakrishna. Time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay, so here we have the answer. Madhulika gave it correctly. So she will be awarded plus 10. The correct answer for this question is option D, Justice K.G. Balakrishna. Okay, so the last question of the tiebreaker round is, who among the following was the first advocate who was directly appointed as the judge of Supreme Court? Options: Justice S.M. Sikri, Justice R.F. Nariman, Justice Rumapal, Justice H.R. Khanna. Time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So no one answered it. The correct answer for this question is option A, Justice S.M. Sikri. So here we end our tiebreaker round and let's just wait for the result to come. Who will secure the second position? There are some more questions which you both need to answer.
Mohit?
We will be playing one audio. It will not be displayed anywhere.
वो अपने वाले से फोन
We
लग
will
गया
be
और
playing
बोलो उसको
audio and you need to identify the voice. Is it clear? And in this, whosoever will drop the answer first will get the marks. It is nothing about wrong answer or right answer. Whosoever will drop right answer first, okay, will get the plus marks. We will not be considering, we will not be playing any timer or something. आप वीडियो ऑडियो जब चल रहा है उस टाइम पर भी आंसर ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं. It is a conversation actually. Okay, just listen carefully.
Madhurika, please turn on your video. Yes, thank you.
Shall we play again?
Okay, shall we begin? Should we play the audio again? Kapil and Madhurika, I'm asking to you both.
Yes.
Yes. Should we play the audio again?
Again.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, ma'am, they're saying yes.
And I want to ask, if Mr. Vice President, I'm speaking. I'm speaking. Yep, let's talk about packing the court now. Let's talk about the fact. Yeah, I'm about to. $400,000 a year. Repeal the Trump tax cut. Mr. Vice President, I'm speaking. I'm speaking.
The important is you said the truth.
If you don't mind letting me finish, we can then have a conversation, okay?
Please.
Okay.
Madhulika, you dropped the answer and then you said sorry by mistake.
Yes, actually, it was a. It was. I said, can you please play the
Dharmendra
audio?
sir, can you tell something? She dropped one answer and answer was wrong.
Ma'am, it
And
was
then
that.
she's saying sorry. Can we consider sorry or we should
Just
deduct
No, ma'am, you
marks?
haven't considered for me to.
Please, Kapil, I'm talking to judge. And
Okay, ma'am.
judge here means he's actual, he's in that field itself. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
please wait. Yeah, Dharmendra sir.
Ma'am, it was actually a button pressed by mistake. I was.
धर्मेंद्र सर, आप ही निर्णय कर सकते हैं कुछ. सर आप म्यूट हैं.
Mistake.
Others, please mute yourself. I think Dharmendra sir.
यस
सर एक सवाल हमने पूछा था और जिसमें हमने
मैम
कहा
आपकी
था
आवाज बहुत स्लो आ रही है।
सर एक सवाल हमने पूछा था
जी
और उसमें हमने एक वॉइस प्ले किया था और हमने
जी
पहले ही कहा था कि रॉन्ग आंसर राइट आंसर जो भी आप पहले ड्रॉप करोगे दो
जी
पार्टिसिपेंट के बीच में अगर
जी
रॉन्ग होगा तो माइनस मार्किंग किया जाएगा।
जी
वॉइस हमने सुनाया, एक पार्टिसिपेंट ने अपना आंसर भेजा और उसके बाद बोला कि सॉरी बाय मिस्टेक वो मुझसे एक बटन प्रेस हो गया था, आंसर गलत था। तो अभी हमें
वहां
क्या
तो
करना
माइनस करना पड़ेगा मैडम। आंसर
है?
गलत है तो माइनस वाला जो आपका ऑप्शन है
जी
वो
सर,
अप्लाई हो जाएगा।
ठीक है सर, भले ही वो गलती से हुआ हो यहाँ।
हाँ क्योंकि ये चूंकि आप ऑनलाइन कर रही है ना तो ये एक तरह से मान के चले मशीन ऑपरेट कर रही है चीज को, इमोशंस के लिए कोई जगह नहीं है।
जी सर, जी सर, थैंक यू सर, आपने हमें 2 बार मुसीबत से बाहर निकाला है, धन्यवाद सर। और
नहीं
मधुलिका
ये तो इसे पार्ट्स ऑफ गेम। इसमें ये क्या होता है कि हमारे अंदर पेशेंस कितना है, जीतना हारना आने वाले समय में जब लोग ये लॉयर बन के आएंगे तो जीतना
जी
हारना तो
सर,
लगा रहेगा, लेकिन पेशेंस
बिल्कुल
बहुत
सर,
जरूरी है।
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल सर। और इसलिए हम जजेस को बात रखते हैं कि हो सकता है हम कई बार इमोशनल होकर डिसीजन ले लें, ये है कि हमने अपने कैंडिडेट कोई हमारा फेवरेट होगा इसीलिए पार्टिसिपेट इसीलिए विन करवा दिया या ऐसा, इसीलिए हम जैसे एक्सपर्ट्स को अपने साथ रहे हैं कि इस तरह की मुसीबत से हमको हर जगह देखने में। थैंक वेरी मच सर। तो
नहीं मेरे
अब
एक
आपको पता ही
निर्णय से
होगा।
निहारिका असंतुष्ट हुई होंगी और पहले वाले निर्णय से अपने क्या नाम था इनका, कपिल, ये असंतुष्ट हुए होंगे, लेकिन चूंकि
बिल्कुल सर।
जो
सर
जजमेंट है अब दोनों को समझ में आ गया होगा।
जी सर, जी सर, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच। जी मधुलिका। हाँ
Ma'am,
मधुलिका बोलिए।
actually, when you were talking about the audio, I never heard that it will be kind of a minus marking. It was always you said that whoever give the right answer in how much ever time during the audio play will get the answer, but you didn't mention about the minus marking. And
I
earlier,
mentioned it twice and ये ब्रेकर का इनिशियल, ये इस थर्ड राउंड के बाद सारे इनिशियल उसमें ही हमने डिक्लेयर किया था कि इफ द आंसर इज रॉन्ग, हम उसमें टाइमर नहीं चला रहे थे। मैंने ये क्लियर कहा था कि हम टाइमर प्ले नहीं करेंगे, जब ऑडियो चल रहा है उस टाइम पर भी आप जवाब दे सकते हैं। whatever answer, if it will be right तो आपको +10 मिलेगा, अगर रॉन्ग होगा तो माइनस मार्किंग होगा, -5 होगा। ये पहले मैंने ऑडियो प्ले करने के पहले ही कहा था। Whosoever will give first, हम सेकंड को कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे। आपने पहले जवाब दिया, आपका अगर सही होता तो आपको +10 मिलता, कपिल का अगर जवाब सही होता कपिल को +10 मिलता। सेकंड वाले को जैसे हम प्रीवियस उसमें कर रहे थे 30-20-10, हम वो नहीं करते, ये हमने कहा था।
it might be a technical glitch that I could not hear about the negative marking during audio round, but
that is
मैडम इसमें एक चीज देख ले।
जी सर।
हाँ मैडम।
जी सर।
हाँ इसमें निहारिका जो कह रही है
जी,
तो आपने जो राउंड कराया है अभी इन दोनों के बीच में टाई वाला, तो उस रूम में उस समय आपने ये चीज बताई थी क्या, माइनस है या नहीं है?
जी सर, जी सर,
अगर बताया था तो एप्लीकेबल है।
I didn't hear about. I don't know whether
ये इन्होंने सुना
नहीं, वो एक अलग इशू है। वो आपने नहीं, आपने बताया था ना, इन्होंने नहीं सुना, एक अलग बात है।
It was not even mentioned in the rules. Slide, ma'am, the slide which was
just a minute, निहारिका, आप क्योंकि शुरू से जुड़े हुए हैं।
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I could not hear anything, and I'm Madhulika, not Niharika.
I know, Madhulika, I know, I'm Niharika.
Yes, ma'am.
I was
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, you are not at all audible. लगा दो, सूरज की रोशनी आ रही है, पीछे से झुक के जाना.
Last question, और यहाँ पर I'm talking from Anshika's end, Anshika's laptop. तो मैं अंशिका के उस chat box को मैं access कर पाऊंगी. Last question we are asking, whosoever will give reply first, clear? Whosoever will give reply first, whether it is wrong or right, marks will be awarded accordingly. गलत जवाब होगा पहला, कोई भी अगर कपिल ने पहले जवाब दिया गलत होगा तो -5, कपिल ने जवाब पहले दिया सही होगा तो +10.
मैम
ठीक है? हाँ
मैम, एक्चुअली आई वांट टू आस्क, लाइक जब मैम मेरे चीज पे, मेरे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पे फॉल्ट था, तब आपने एग्री किया.
मैं तो जजेस के साथ हमेशा ही एग्री कर रही हूँ.
अब मैम जजेस का भी तो आ गया मैम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, अब जजेस ने भी बोल दिया.
धर्मेंद्र सर, आप क्या चाहते हैं, हम मधुलिका को फाइनली 3rd पोजीशन दें और कपिल को 2nd, या हम एक क्वेश्चन और पूछें? लास्ट फाइनल वर्डिक्ट विल बी योर्स, व्हाटएवर यू से.
नहीं, अभी आपने जो डिसाइड किए थे वो क्वेश्चन पूरे हो गए क्या?
जी सर, वो पूरे हो गए. हम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन निकाल के कुछ लेकर आए थे. अगर आप
नहीं, अगर वो राउंड पूरा हो गया तो रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर करना पड़ेगा.
ठीक है, तो फिर हम कपिल को
कोई नया आप इस स्टेज पर जो स्थिति है वो रहेगी.
ठीक है
अगर
सर.
आपके क्वेश्चन पूरे हो गए तो.
जी सर, हमारे क्वेश्चंस पूरे हो गए हैं. फिर हम फाइनल यही करें कि कपिल को 2nd और मधुलिका को 3rd पोजीशन ग्रांट करें. जी थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू. Madhulika, now again, judge's decision is final. Thank you, Madhulika. Thank you, Kapil. Thank you, Niharika. So we have got the answer, and Kapil is, I can see that Kapil is very happy. Anna?
Yes, ma'am, actually I am.
Yes, you are, because you were having many doubts, many questions, and finally won this quiz. Yes, ma'am. But because of some technical glitches, because of some other errors, we had problems. But I'm again very, very thankful to the experts that we have with us कि उन्होंने हमें हर जगह सहायता दी. And I want to apologize for all the technical glitches, all the problems that we faced. And one thing is there कि technology हमारे बस में नहीं है. टेक्नोलॉजी शायद कहीं हमारा साथ देती है और कहीं हमसे कुछ धोखा करती है. तो वो सारी फेजेस से हम निकलकर एक फाइनल डिसीजन पे पहुंच गए हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच धर्मेंद्र सर, यू हेल्प्ड अ लॉट. एंड फाइनल रिजल्ट्स दैट वी हैव, निहारिका का तो हमें पहले से ही पता है. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस निहारिका, यू हैव गॉट फर्स्ट प्राइज. Second position goes to Kapil with 145 marks, and Madhulika -5 you got. Like not 145, अगर 20 marks अगर हम टाई ब्रेकर के ऐड करें तो कपिल के 165 हो जाएंगे. मधुलिका के 20 ऐड करने के बाद -5 हो गया है ना. तो इस वजह से मधुलिका goes to 3rd position. और मैं आप तीनों से एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी that share your account details so that we can transfer that money. First winner will get 5,000 rupees. second 3, and third 2000. So congratulations to all the 3 winners. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for cooperating with us. And may you have a bright future. In the last, I would again like to invite our expert, Dr. Dharmendra sir, to share a few words of wisdom. Sir, please.
आज के इस क्विज में बहुत अच्छा लगा। टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड क्विज था, टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, लेकिन क्विज के मामले में हमको अपना टेम्परामेंट लूज नहीं करना है। आने वाले समय में जब आप कोर्ट्स में पहुंचेंगे, कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि हम 100% सही हैं, लेकिन जब कोर्ट का निर्णय आता है तो वो हमारे खिलाफ जाता है। तो उस समय हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ऑप्शन होता है कि हम अपना पेशेंस नहीं खोएं और अपनी बात को, जो हमारी जेन्युइन बात है, उसको हम हमसे बड़ी वाली कोर्ट में, यानी मतलब हाई कोर्ट का मामला है तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, और सेशन कोर्ट का मामला है या डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट का मामला है तो हाई कोर्ट में रखें। तो उसमें पेशेंस बहुत जरूरी होता है, क्योंकि हमारा पेशेंस, बॉडी लैंग्वेज सब काउंट होता है। ये तो एक कंपटीशन है, आज जीत गए कोई बात नहीं, कल फिर होगा, फिर कई अवसर ऐसे मिलते जाएंगे। अच्छा, इससे पहले मैं आपको एक चीज और अलर्ट करना चाह रहा था कि जब हम क्विज की बात कर रहे हैं तो आपने मेरे नाम से पहले सीनियर एडवोकेट हाई कोर्ट लगाया। 25-28 साल की प्रैक्टिस के बाद सीनियर तो कह सकते हैं, लेकिन वकील को सीनियर तभी कहा जाता है जब उसको हाई कोर्ट अवार्ड करे। अपने इंडियन कोर्ट्स में हाई कोर्ट सीनियर एडवोकेट को एक पद है, उसको अब नोटिफिकेशन करके अवार्ड करती है, तब सीनियर एडवोकेट लगता है, वरना सभी लोग एडवोकेट कहलाते हैं। केवल बाल सफेद हो जाने से सीनियर नहीं हो जाते, जब हाई कोर्ट अवार्ड कर दे सीनियरिटी तब हम सीनियर कहते हैं। तो ये आप आगे के लिए ध्यान रखें कि सीनियर एडवोकेट का मतलब होता है कि जब हाई कोर्ट द्वारा अवार्ड किया गया, हाई कोर्ट बाकायदा एक प्रोसीजर के तहत सीनियर अवार्ड करती है। और दूसरी बात, हमने बीच क्वेश्चन, अपने जो जीके के क्वेश्चंस आ रहे थे तो उसमें एक चीफ जस्टिस साहब का फोटो भी आया था, तो उनके नाम से हमेशा चीफ जस्टिस लगेगा। हाई कोर्ट जज के नाम से हमेशा जस्टिस लगता है और चीफ जस्टिस के नाम से हमेशा चीफ जस्टिस लगता है। तो ये छोटी छोटी बातें होती हैं जो आमतौर पर उतनी गंभीरता से हम लोग नहीं लेते हैं, लेकिन टेक्निकली जब हम कोई चीज कर रहे हैं तो हमको उस फील्ड की उतनी बातें पता होनी चाहिए जितनी की आवश्यक होती हैं। आप लोगों ने क्विज में भाग लिया, बहुत अच्छा लगा। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में आप लोग बिल्कुल ये ध्यान रखें कि जितनी अच्छी तरह से आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को पढ़ लेंगे तो आप ये मान के चलना कि हिंदुस्तान में फिर आपको डिफीट देने वाला कोई नहीं होगा, क्योंकि हर चीज हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेस्ड है। आज अपने बीच में जो डिस्प्यूट भी पैदा हुआ थोड़ी देर के लिए, अगर अकॉर्डिंगली अपन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और प्रोसीजर लॉ देखेंगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। भाई हो सकता है कि निर्णय मेरे पक्ष में ना हो या आपके पक्ष में ना हो, लेकिन लॉ की क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, तराजू के जो दोनों पलड़े हैं वो बराबर होने चाहिए। तो आप लोगों को यह ध्यान रखना है कि हम जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की बात करें तो प्रियम्बल से लेके हमारे जो आर्टिकल 395 तक है उनके बारे में हमको जानकारी होनी चाहिए। एक बार आपने अपना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लियर कर लिया तो आप निश्चित मानिए कि आप जीवन में कभी भी डिफीट नहीं खाएंगे चीजों को तय करने में। दूसरी बात, फंडामेंटल राइट की बात होती है और फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज की बात होती है, तो हमको फंडामेंटल राइट और फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज दोनों के बारे में गंभीरता से विचार करना चाहिए, क्योंकि आज आप स्टूडेंट हैं, कल आने वाले समय में आप लॉयर होंगे, आप जजेस होंगे और हायर पोस्टों पे जाएंगे। तो आज हमारा एटीट्यूड हमारा फ्यूचर तय करता है। तो हमको जो भी चीज हम पढ़ें बिल्कुल उसका एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर होना चाहिए कि ये जनरली क्या होता है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जजमेंट्स आते हैं और वो माइलस्टोन होते हैं और वो लंबे समय तक चलते हैं जब तक उस जजमेंट्स को बड़ी बेंच द्वारा परिवर्तन ना कर दिया गया या उसमें कोई संशोधन ना आ गया, वरना वही चलते रहते हैं। तो हमारे देश में जो लेटेस्ट जजमेंट आते हैं वो भी हमको देखते रहना चाहिए। आप लोगों ने आज भाग लिया, बहुत अच्छा लगा। भविष्य में कभी भी एकेडमिक रूप से मेरी जरूरत पड़ेगी, मैं प्रेस्टीज इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ खड़ा हूं। आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद सर, हौसला अफजाई के लिए भी, तारीफ के 2 शब्द के लिए भी और समझाइश के लिए भी। हमें हमेशा ही आपकी समझाइश की आवश्यकता रहेगी, तो हम आपसे हमेशा जुड़े रहेंगे। एक बार और मैं आपका धन्यवाद देती हूँ, और जो आपने बताया है छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें, जो हमसे छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें गलत हुई थी, हम कोशिश करेंगे भविष्य में हमसे वो गलतियाँ ना हों। और मैं पार्टिसिपेंट को भी थैंक यू बोलूँगी, कपिल, जिसने हमारी बहुत सारी गलतियाँ भी बताई, बहुत सारे फ्रंट्स पे हमारे सामने लड़ने के लिए भी खड़ा रहा। लेकिन ये एक अच्छे एडवोकेट के गुण भी हैं, जो जहाँ तक मैं जानती हूँ कि अपनी बात पे डटे रहना एक अच्छे एडवोकेट के गुण भी हैं। तो कपिल ने वो किया। निहारिका, वी आर प्राउड दैट यू हैव सो मच ऑफ नॉलेज। आपने शायद बहुत अच्छे से सारी चीज़ें, जनरल नॉलेज और बाकी सारी चीज़ें भी बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ रखी हैं। सो वी विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर ब्राइट फ्यूचर। मधुलिका, नेवर लूज होप। ये एक छोटा सा क्विज कंपटीशन था, आगे बहुत सारे इस तरह के कंपटीशन आएंगे, और कई बार छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हमें पीछे करती हैं, लेकिन कई हो सकता है कुछ बहुत बड़ी चीज़ें हमारे लिए आने वाली हों, तो हमें कभी भी होप नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए। So all the best to all the participants. Congratulations to winner, and do share your account details in WhatsApp group so that we can transfer your winning amount. And last but not the least, thank you very much, Dharmendra sir. Thank you for being with us for this all time और हमें हर जगह support करने के लिए. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So bye bye for now. I hope that we will be meeting next year physically. Bye.